If you're curious about why working with a certified financial planner is so important, then stay tuned. If you're new to the channel, hi, I'm Julia, Certified Financial Planner and Managing Director at URS Advisory. Today, I'm going to share the top 3 differences between a regular financial advisor and a certified financial planner, as the experience between working with the two should be very different. At the end of the video, I'm going to share a few red and green flags to watch out for when interviewing potential advisors. Before I start though, please consider subscribing to my channel. This allows as many people, just like you, to access this important and free information. So thank you in advance. Okay. The first difference between a regular advisor and a certified financial planner is educational expertise. You don't need a bachelor's degree to become a financial advisor, but you do need to pass a securities exam and an insurance exam. However, in order to become a certified financial planner, you must undergo a rigorous and comprehensive education in financial planning. First, you must have a bachelor's degree. Then you need at least three years of full-time personal financial planning experience, 2 years of coursework, and finally an all-day board exam. This means that when you work with us, you're not just getting investment advice. You're getting holistic advice based on a total understanding of financial matters, like income tax, insurance, investments, and retirement planning. For example, a certified financial planner should be able to suggest which retirement plans give you the biggest bang for your buck, how much you should be contributing to a Roth account versus a pre-tax account without jumping a tax bracket, which health insurance plan makes the most sense for your situation, and so much more. It's easy to find someone to manage your money, but that's only one part of a rewarding financial plan. The second difference is ethical commitment. A conventional financial advisor is not always bound by fiduciary standards. The suitability standards stipulate only that your advisor must consider each individual investor's position and provide guidance specific to what is suitable for the investor's needs. However, a certified financial planner is always held to a fiduciary standard, which requires us to consider your needs before our own. When we make recommendations, that means that they are always in your best interest, transparent, and free from any conflict of interest. For example, in our practice, we use the lowest cost ETFs available for any given investment sector or strategy to make sure that your overall fees are as low as possible. The third difference is practical experience. The requirement to have at least 3 years of full-time financial planning experience makes a huge difference in our ability to make recommendations. Years of experience in dealing with diverse financial situations means that the advice you receive is not just academic or what somebody read in a book, but tested and proven in real-world scenarios. As we know, school is really important, but we often need to go out and experience life before we can apply the lessons that we learn. So whether you're facing a financial challenge or an opportunity, our experience ensures that you'll be guided by experience and the most up-to-date information. Okay, now let's review some red flags first and then some green flags to help you better assess a potential candidate. If you notice any of the following, that's your sign to take a step back and reassess your decision. The first red flag is that the advisor is not asking you detailed and specific questions to fully understand your financial situation. Making impulsive recommendations and promising that they can do better than the last guy or better than you can do on your own without enough background knowledge is a major warning that this person does not have your best interests at heart. The second red flag is what I call financial legalese. If you can't understand what your advisor is telling you, and if sounding smart is more important to them than educating their clients, that's a bad sign. The third red flag is if the advisor is not able to answer the hard questions with direct eye contact and an honest answer. You need to be able to ask your financial advisor anything. How they handle certain situations, how their fee structure works. This way you know what to expect. And if the advisor you're interviewing isn't willing to answer those hard questions and maintain eye contact, this does not bode well for your future relationship. Okay. Now let's review some green flags or some good things to notice. So if you see any of these, you may want to proceed further as long as you feel right about it. The first green flag is that the advisor is maintaining eye contact and asking pointed and thoughtful questions about your financial life, and allowing you to speak freely on each subject. They should be taking good notes and summarizing what your concerns and goals are so that they best know how to help. You should feel comfortable in their presence. The second green flag is that the advisor is making sure that they understand your full picture. Cash flow, income and expenses, making sure they review your tax return before providing any tax advice, reviewing your life and health insurances, etc. A strong financial plan is not just about your investments, and a skilled advisor must take into account all aspects of your financial life, no matter how insignificant they might seem. The third green flag is clear communication. Your advisor should speak in plain English so that you understand every word, whether it's in reference to your financial plan or your investments, the fees, etc. Also, there should be zero pressure involved. Your advisor should give you all the time you need to make decisions that feel right to you. So to summarize, the three differences between a regular advisor and a certified financial planner are education, ethics, and experience. If you found this video helpful, please like and share with somebody that you care about, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.